All right, we're back. VB Hawk with eHawk Electric Vehicles LLC. It's official. All right, we're outside right now, so we got a different camera up, so you guys can see a little bit what we have. Also, these are our motorcycles. This is the Pro Thunder. This is a hobby. This is my favorite ride right here. I ride it all the time. There's another scooter here for two people. Goes about 20 miles an hour. This is something to go get you around the city. You know, this is really good for doing errands and things like that, man. This is great. This here goes about 50 miles per hour plus. This is our kids. What are we talking about? Our kids scooter right here. Yeah. Our kid scooter. This is the eHawk X. This is the beast. That's the beast here, man. It's a beautiful lighting. That's the eHawk Ninja. Let me get around over there. The eHawk Ninja. It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at all these beautiful things, man. This is our eHawk Express. All you delivery guys, this is a beautiful ride, man. This is a powerful baby. I suggest you contact me if you get one of these. This is awesome. Snow tire, you got everything. You can go in the snow, you can go all weather. This is our collection here. This is our cool license plate. This is not a real license plate, just to want to let people know. These are electric vehicles, so it's just, I had this made, which is pretty cool. So like I was telling you guys, if you guys want to come down, if you are in New Jersey, New York, or in the tri-state area, email me, that way you can take a look firsthand what we got. You know, I'm getting I guess some people, one guy said that this isn't real. You know, I tell you, I was stunned when he said that. You know, like he posted it on my wall. I'm like, what the hell is this guy talking about? It's not real. I tell you, some people, man, you know. And another guy, he just, you know, listen, if you guys are gonna comment some crazy stuff, man, I'm just gonna delete it, man. You know, I'm just gonna block it because I don't need to hear none of this nonsense. Okay, we're all grown-ups. Okay, we don't need to be bashing on anybody's work. Everybody works hard to get to where they're at or what they're doing. All right, that's one thing I express, man. I can't stand when somebody makes fun of you, right, of what you're doing, you know, and trying to trash you. You know, that is the wrong way to go. So, but for all you guys, I know I've got a lot of help. I've got a lot of supporters out there throughout the whole country. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the likes. You know, this is it, man. We're getting two more in. We still need the eHawk Stealth, like the vintage look. The last video that I did, man, boy, we had a lot of hits on that one. And we finally gonna get the eHawk. It's called the Underground, a dirt bike. Oh man, this is I finally got to where I can get one because I was trying to get one of those dirt bikes, which is very popular in the city. Oh man, but we found a factory, and I found a good rep and good people to work with on that model. So we're gonna be getting that probably in the springtime. You know, because right now everybody's on vacation over there overseas. But you can place your orders online, guys. Like I said, you can place your order online. I do accept a layaway, but you got to talk to me about it first, okay? I do make phone calls. If you want to give me your number, send me your number, and an email, I'll be glad to call you. I have no problems with that. So, I do not sell my demos. Okay, it'll take a lot because we need this for our showroom. Okay, also very important, our website. I am trying. I get it. I don't have a professional guy doing it. but I'm doing it because I used to do the websites back in the day. But I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys. It's only one page. I mean, there's a few other links there, but one page. You just scroll down. All you gotta do is scroll down and click and buy it. That's it. You can't get any easier than that. So yeah, I don't want to hear anybody say, "Oh, well, this is too complex." No, there's a picture and there's about 1 or 2 videos about the item. That's it. All right, and you'll see on there it has a couple of the unboxing, some couple of test rides that we do. So I don't want to hear this shit that all about the graphics. Listen, I'm a great graphics guy. That is my one thing that I do awesome. Is graphics. So I don't want to hear anybody say anything about my graphics, because the graphics are great. All right, the website is a secure website. Okay, we got our SSL up on it, so when you're on it, it's secured. When you purchase, it's always secured. Okay, it's encrypted. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So like I said, you want to come down, if you live in the tri-state area within New York, New Jersey, PA, whatever, shoot me an email, and I'll show you what we have and everything. We are looking for a location. Okay, I am looking for a location for our E-Hawk brand. Okay, so I am looking around. So maybe around 600 square feet is fine for starters. So if anybody knows anything about real estate, I'm not a real estate guy, but I sure need the help for you guys to help me out there. You know, I mean, I want to get us maybe Montclair, Hoboken, Jersey City. You know, also not to break the pocket. Also, you know what I mean? You know, because we're gonna have the showroom on display. We're gonna have a repair shop. We're gonna repair all types of electric vehicles. Okay. It could be any brand. I don't care. We don't care about that. All right. We're gonna have a lot of accessories. We're gonna have some video games. We have a DJ. We have a DJ area that we're gonna have. We'll mix our own music. Once in a while, we'll have a little party on a weekend. Invite everybody to come to the store, and we have food, pizza. You know, have something to drink, Coke, Pepsis, whatever you guys want. And we'll make, you know, once in a while we'll do a thing like that, man. All this is fun. This is fun to me. And I don't want to make it a big issue about brand names. So this is my brand name. I created it. You know, my brand is just as good as those other big guys. The other thing is they have more money. That's the only thing, man. All right. But the quality of these vehicles are just the same or better of the other guys. All right, so you can't reinvent the wheel. All right, I'm just gonna say that, and they're all made in the same spot. All right, so nothing new. All right, the other thing new is that, you know, the factories that you choose to work with, because they put these things together, and parts, batteries are a big issue. All these vehicles here, you see here, are UL listed. Okay, they're safe. All right, they're top good quality, as you can see. All right, this is real. This is not something that's made up. We are here, man. This is E-Hawk. Yeah, that's it, man. This is how you grow. All right, so hit me up. We're gonna leave it here, and we're gonna take my my Pro Thunder for a little ride, because this is my baby. All right, VB Hawk, E-Hawk out. Peace.